Are you trying to go, Berkeley? Is that the deal? Here. Hold your crayon. I don't know what those little things are. Where's your crayon? Did you drop it? Here it is. Here. Okay, here. There you go. Yeah, you want to try it again? Put it on the paper. Look quickly. You like those better, wherever they are? Here's your paper. Okay, try it again. That's a girl. That's good, Ashby. Here's your Berkeley. You like the paper best of anything, don't you? You want this? She said, that's it. Okay, Mark. Mark, oh, good, Ashby. Now you want to do this one? Good. That's the way. What's here? Can you take that? Where's your crayon?